Guys, they're right. The homeschool movement is dangerous to the system. It's dangerous for the government to control. It's dangerous to the system that keeps parents uninvolved in their children's education. And it's dangerous to the agenda that says the kids belong more to the state than they do to their families. And that's exactly why it's growing. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey. And I would love for you to subscribe and get my subscriber count up. And that way you won't miss any of the videos that I post. Please go ahead and do that now. It's the one little thing you can do for me. All right, let's talk about how homeschooling is dangerous and what it threatens. It's dangerous to schools that have overcrowded classrooms and a one-size-fits-all learning. It's dangerous to the politicians who want to dictate what our children are being taught. It's dangerous to a culture that discourages parental involvement and encourages broken home and broken family dynamics. They try to discourage parental authority as well. This is dangerous to them because homeschooling puts education right back into the hands of the parents and the family. And if you're interested about how this whole school thing started, make sure you check the video in the card above, or I will also link it at the end of this video. When families of homeschoolers decide to homeschool, they are challenging a lot of things. When families are choosing to homeschooling, they are choosing to instill their kids with their beliefs, whether it's religious or not, over state-approved narratives. And the narratives nowadays, let me just say, are pretty wacky. When you choose to homeschool, you're choosing individual growth over forced conformity. You're also, by choosing homeschool, are choosing stronger family relationships and influence rather than peer pressure and negative outside influences from strangers. That alone terrifies the system. Because when kids grow up outside of government schools, they actually learn to think for themselves. And then they start challenging the things that are being taught to others. They stand on truth and they reject the lies that are being told to them. So yeah, it is dangerous. It's dangerous to anyone who wants control over your children. It is dangerous to a culture that wants parents disengaged. And it's dangerous to the idea that faith and family should take back seat in the education system. But if you ask me, that's the kind of dangerous I'm willing to be. And I hope you guys are too. Don't be afraid to be different. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know when I provide more videos for you. I'll see you guys in the next one.